let me do that and we can get started now. What we want to do is be able to connect proposed pipe below grade at a particular elevation. This is what we're going to show you how to do today. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Vines. I am a civil designer with more than 7 years of design and drafting experience. And today we are going to cover profile creation tools. So in a previous video, I'll link it over here. In a previous video, we did cover surfaces, alignments, and profiles. Now we are going to go a little bit further into profiles and generate a profile using the profile creation tools. This is for below grade pipeline design, and it's going to be used to represent the top of pipe as it relates to the existing or proposed grade. So we'll show you how to generate a profile and start messing with some of those creation tools and get familiar with those. It's going to be a short video, but let's go ahead and jump into it. All right. Now that we are in the remote desktop, we can actually get into this project and review those profile creation tools. So let's go ahead and jump in. All right, we've got this project open now. You may be familiar with this project, but we do have our alignment and our profile. For this project, let's say that we have an existing grade, and what we want to do is design a pipe that's going to be 4 feet below grade. What is the best way to do that? I'm going to show you my workflow and some tips and tricks along the way, and then you can comment if there's something else that you do. So let's go ahead and go to tool space. Then we're going to look at our surface here. Let's take this surface. Let's copy it. Copy with base point at 0, 0, 0. Enter. Paste. 0, 0, 0. Enter. Alright, so let's select this one. Surface properties. Let's change this one to existing no display. Select this one. Raise and lower surface. There it is. By -4. Enter. To profile. Create surface profile. Let's just add this one. Now we have our surfaces. One is at grade, the other is 4 feet below. My computer is screaming now. Let's change this to a proposed grade. Display. Change this to 0 design line work. Okay, change this to a continuous line. Okay, apply. Okay. All right, so now we have our existing grade, and we also have our grade that has been dropped 4 feet below that existing grade. Let's go to Home, Profile, Profile Creation Tools. We're going to select our profile here. Let's name it Proposed Pipe. We're gonna keep this proposed pipe style. And hit OK. That brings up our profile layout tools. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is a line segment snapped from one end all the way to the other. All right. We always do that, snap from one end to the other, so that we can then go back in and drop PVIs. So now that we have that snapped, we can go in and drop, like I said, our PVIs. I'll go ahead and start every 50 feet, drop them at the intersection of the existing grade and the 4 feet below grade, and then we can make adjustments as needed. All right, run through these. All right, now that we have those snapped, we can go back through and make any adjustments as needed. Let's do one thing real quick. Let's draw an arc between, say, here, here, and here. Let's say we have some type of bore in this area and we want to do a 3-point arc. We'll just go from one end to our midpoint to our other end point. Let's do it there. Hit escape. The only thing that we need to make sure is that our curves are showing. Hit OK. You can see that we now have that curve and our profile goes above and below it. But once it's selected, you can actually remove curve segments here, here, and let's see. This one will just end up pulling the end from there to there. And we have retained the integrity of the overall profile. And then if you need to drop additional PVIs, you can always do so. To say this is a little bit closer than 4 feet below, we can drop another PVI right there. All right. Thank you very much for joining me for that quick rundown of the profile creation tools in Civil 3D 2021. Remember to like, comment below, follow me, and I will talk to you next Tuesday. Thank you. Talk to you Tuesday. Bye.